The VSRA pre-hire program allows individuals to earn basic credentials that the ship repair industry is looking for. This is a public-private partnership between the Virginia Ship Repair Association and Tidewater Community College. This pre-hire program is through the workforce solutions side of the college. Those individuals have the opportunity to earn credentials that will allow them to be employed upon completion of the training. Currently, the two biggest demands for TCC are welding and pipe fitting. What we've come to learn with the ship repair industry is that there's this pendulum that swings around what those skill sets are based on where they are in building and repairing ships. The courses are accelerated to get the students into employment as soon as possible. These students are in class 3 weeks, 40 hours a week, prepping for the credential that will allow them to obtain employment. The VSRA pre-hire program really does provide them the opportunity to be successful and have a really good career pathway.